Back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can create a robot.txt file. So to create a robot.txt file, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard and you need to install a plugin that is called Yoast SEO. So go to plugins, click on add new and here search for Yoast SEO. So here you can see the Yoast SEO plugin. You can install and activate it. I have already installed and activated. So after that you will see this option. Just hover over the Yoast SEO and here you can click on tools. If you see any basic setup like start optimization or something like that, you can just continue on that. And here you will see this option file editor. So you can click on it. I just completed the SEO data optimization. So here you see robot.txt, you don't have a robot.txt file, create one here. So to create the robot.txt file, just click on this button and just click on back again. And here you can see the robot.txt file, click on save changes. So this basically replaces the default WordPress robot.txt file. So this one is more optimized one. So you can create a robot.txt file using Yoast SEO plugin for free. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. If you want my help in building or fixing your website, do let me know through my website. All of my contact details are provided in the description. So that's it for the video. See you next.